No more gatekeeping. This is how you stay in a 5-star luxury hotel in Da Nang for free. So and this is where you arrive first, either way with your Grab, or you park your motorbike here, and then you basically just walk over there and tell them you want to go to the pool. Want to get the pool pass. The front office where you can get your pool pass tickets. Thank you so much. Okay, so in my case I have Accor Plus, a yearly membership from Accor, so I don't have to pay. And the second person, my beautiful fiance, is 50% off. That means 125k for minimum consumption. But in our case, we don't have to pay here. We can also just drive directly to the pool and sort it out there. So this is basically the walk you have to do to the pool. So as you can see, this is one of the nicest beach areas also. So look at this beach here already. Like very calm. Here you can always go because the beach in Vietnam is always free and for the public. So you can also go here without buying anything. But we're gonna go to the pool. So the pool is just 2-minute walk from here. But I really like this walk because it's just so nice and peaceful. And
it's giving a taste of a 5 stars experience.
Yeah. So all these villas here have their own pool. That's why the main pool is not that overcrowded. And that's why they also sell probably these pool tickets. So here you can also just relax on the grass, be in the hammock and enjoy this beautiful beach view. Like this is, just imagine, this is 5 minutes from the very busy area away, but you're completely in silence here. Just hear the wind noise, the beach. Not that many waves today. And she's doing holistic work. Are you in your healing phase?
Yeah.
In her healing phase? All right, so yeah, it's a beautiful view here. You just walk. Also, this is the seafood restaurant. They also have buffets here. I think, I don't know, maybe on the weekend, some weekends, we gotta check their Facebook. So sadly enough, this is not a paid sponsorship for any kind of hotel here, because I mean, I paid my yearly subscription for Accor Plus to get 50% off all the French sounding hotel buffets. And also I'm able to go to this pool here for free. So 1 year ago, it was actually free for me and 3 friends. But they changed it a few months ago. So I'm still for free because I have the membership. But my +1, +2, +3, it goes down. I'm gonna list it here, how their percentage is. So I don't want to talk too much because this is just so beautiful. So here, this is the pool. Look at how calm and beautiful it is. You don't have to bring your own towels. They have towels here. Let's sit down here. And then you just enjoy. Look at this. Look at this view. And you also have your own private beach. We're gonna go there later and check out the water quality there. And this is the bar. You can also play some soccer, table soccer, chess if you're a smart guy. Here you get more of the towels. They always have some. The changing rooms are there, showers, changing rooms, and here is the bar. Beautiful. Okay, so now we're gonna check out the beach part here. So here you have a lot of beds as well. They also included the beach, the pool, the infinity pool right on the beach. You have some volleyball nets there, soccer nets, and mini soccer nets. I'm not sure what this is called. And here, this is basically the private beach, which is not really private because everyone can come here. Every beach in Vietnam is public. So this is where you can see the Mian area, where I did already a walking tour. So if you haven't watched that, I highly suggest you watching that. I put a lot of information there, and also I'm reviewing 2 rooftop bars in the Mian area. So here should be the lifeguard, but there's none. And to this direction, you can see this goes all the way to Hoi An. There are a lot of resorts there. Right next to Premier Village, this Pullman Resort is also here. It's also part of the Accor group. And this is the beach. The best time to come to the beach is actually in the morning, because the water looks the nicest. It's pretty calm sea. Let's check out. Okay, so something happened last night here. It's a little bit, was probably rough. Let's check out the water quality here. It's very clear. You can see everything. And the water is very warm though. The water is warm, it's pretty calm. There's absolutely nothing in there. No trash, no jellyfish, no sharks, no nothing. So here you can see the Lady Buddha. You can almost see the Lady Buddha statue from everywhere in Danang and Hoi An, and here's the resort. So the water is very nice. For my taste, a little bit too warm to be refreshing. It's very warm. It's just like a whirlpool almost. It's very, very warm. But you can see it's July. No, it's August now. It's August now, but it's perfect weather. No clouds, a little bit clouds there. It does not rain for almost a week now. Sometimes it's actually good if it rains, because it makes the whole climate a little bit cooler. It's like a hard rain. But as you can see, very calm, white sand beach, beautiful palm trees. I think that's definitely a way to spend your day here in Da Nang. So here's the menu. They got some specialties with mangoes. You see also the prices. A combo for 4 drinks is 550k. If you want to have alcohol, fried chicken, 15% off with Accor Plus. But generally, if you eat anything here and you have Accor Plus, you can get 50% off. So those are food options. And what I can definitely recommend is the pizza actually. The pizza tastes very good. I think this one we always have, Regina. 220k, so that's $9. And it's a good value here, the pizza. And what we always have to drink is a coconut. Where is it? Here, coconut. It's 115k, so pretty pricey for a coconut, but you get this view to it. And then it's fair again. So Vietnamese coffee is also very good, Café Sua. And they have a lot of smoothies, beer. Of course, beer is actually cheaper than the coconuts. Yeah, lots of all kinds of cocktails, strong drinks, bottles, waffles, mac and cheese in a clay pot. Interesting. All right. If you, for example, have 250k minimum consumption, you can have one drink and one pizza. So, for example, if you have 250,000 dong minimum consumption, you can have a beer and a pizza for that. That's roughly it. But if you have Accor Plus like me, you get 50% off the pizza and 15% off the drink. So then it comes down to $5 or something. What's a pretty good deal. And since this is not sponsored, just Google Accor Plus and find how much it costs at the moment. So I had it during a New Year's sale and I paid maybe $180 or something. I'm not sure. I forgot, but just Google Accor Plus. Maybe Accor, if you see that, sponsor me. So if you like this video, please subscribe and check out my other video I did about Danang Beach. I made a Danang Beach guide where I show everything in My An Beach. I also showed 2 rooftop bars, what I really like, especially for afternoon coffee, and basically the whole My An area, what would be in this direction. So check this out.